Subtracting polynomials, organizing terms easily. Imagine you have two big piles of mixed-up building blocks, and your goal is to find out what's left after taking some away. That's similar to subtracting polynomials in algebra. It might seem tricky at first, but if you organize your terms carefully, it becomes much simpler. The secret is to write both polynomials in a standard way. This means putting all the terms in order from the highest to the lowest power of the variable. For example, if you have three terms with different powers, you want to write them starting with the biggest exponent first. Next, you change the signs of every term in the polynomial you are subtracting. So if a term has a plus sign, you turn it into a minus sign. If it has a minus sign, you turn it into a plus. This step turns the subtraction into addition, which is easier to handle. Once you have done that, you just add the coefficients of the like terms. Like terms are those that have the same variables raised to the same powers. For example, all the terms with an x squared go together, all the y terms go together, and so on. There are two common ways to do this. The first is called the horizontal method. You write the two polynomials side by side with a minus sign between them. Then you distribute the negative sign across the second polynomial, changing all its signs. After that, you just add the matching terms. The second way is the vertical method. Here, you write one polynomial above the other, lining up the like terms in columns. You then change the signs of the bottom polynomial's terms and add each column from top to bottom. Both methods relying on the same idea, turning subtraction into addition by changing signs. This makes the process clearer and reduces mistakes. For example, if you want to subtract, for x minus 10y plus 15z, from 5x plus 8y minus 20z, you start by writing it out as 5x plus 8y minus 20z minus for x plus 10y minus 15z. Then you change the signs in the second polynomial, making it minus for x plus 10y minus 15z now. You can easily group the like terms. 5x minus for x, 8y plus 10y, and minus 20z minus 15z adding the coefficients gives you 1x, 18y, and minus 35z so. The answer is x plus 18y minus 35z. Organizing the terms by their variables and powers is key. It helps you see which terms go together and make sure you don't accidentally add or subtract the wrong ones. This method is not just for subtraction. It's also useful for simplifying expressions, solving equations, and working with more advanced algebra topics like factoring and dividing polynomials. When you get used to writing polynomials in standard form and changing the signs, subtracting becomes a lot easier. It turns a confusing problem into a simple addition task. This way, you can handle polynomial operations with confidence and avoid common mistakes.